I've been using the SuperLink gateway for a couple months now, and I absolutely love it. I have more videos coming on the SuperLink stuff in the future, but today I have a very, very large package. This is a SuperLink high gain antenna. This is very interesting to me, and I am very, very excited to try this out. In this video, we're gonna be trying out the high gain antenna, seeing how far we can go with the thing. We live on about 30 acres, so we have plenty of space to mess around, and I'm excited to see how this thing performs compared to the SuperLink gateway itself. I have the gateway sitting on my desk in my office, but in the final installation, the SuperLink gateway will kind of be in a more central place to our house. The goal is to replace our Ring alarm system with the SuperLink system. And I do have a siren that is a wireless siren that connects to SuperLink, so we'll be able to kind of go into Unify Protect and we'll be able to test out the siren, and that's how we're going to measure the performance of the high gain antenna. Ubiquiti did send this to me. They did not ask me to say anything about the product. I can give my own opinions. Unfortunately, my mom will not let me put this in our pantry. Currently our Ring alarm system hub is in our pantry, and she said this antenna is not going in the pantry, so that's highly unfortunate. Wow, this is absolutely massive. So about a probably 3-foot cable we have right here that comes in the box with it. Truthfully, we do not need this high gain antenna, I don't think, but we are going to be putting alarm sensors on our house as well as our barn that's kind of farther away. So I am curious to see if the signal from a door sensor does reach back to my office, or if we do need to extend it with the high gain antenna. So I think step one for this video, now that it's unboxed, is let's go install a sensor in our barn and see if we have to extend the signal at all to get a better coverage to the barn. With our Ring alarm system, we do have it in a central location in the house, and it does not reach to our barn. We have to have a Ring range extender, and that thing sucks so bad it disconnects all the time. So I'm really hoping that the SuperLink is better without the range extender, and if we do need the range, we got the range. Before we go out there, this is the door sensor, or a entry sensor is what they call it. This goes on a window, it goes on a door, whatever you want to monitor. In the box, you just have the base and the little magnet thing that it connects to. So we are adopting the device. It is connected at negative 62 dBm. It is closed. Well, guys, the intention was to push this device to its limits. Even going through all of the walls in our house to get out here to the barn, the device still works fine. It still has 2 bars left on its range meter. So it's already outperforming what I would have thought would have been a horrible connection. This sensor is literally double the distance of the Ring sensor to the Ring base station. So it's so much longer, and we're not even using the high gain antenna yet. Okay, so now that we are back in the air conditioning, let's take a look over on Unify Protect. You'll see that we are at negative 80 dBm for the connection. It's a 40% signal quality, which negative 80 is pretty bad in the Wi-Fi world, but for a wireless system like this, typically negative 80 is probably all right. But what I do want to try before we go and do outdoor testing is I want to try plugging in the high gain antenna to see what that changes. So the high gain antenna does work for the barn door. It's really not needed for these shorter distances from what I'm seeing. However, what this doesn't mean is that it's not needed for outdoor or longer use for sensors that are farther away. And that is exactly what I want to test next. I have the siren right here. I'd like to go out back on our property and go test the siren on a longer range than just a couple of 100 feet to the barn. Line of sight to the barn from my office is technically 125 feet, although we're going to have to go through at least 10 walls to get there, so it is pretty impressive that the connection even works from where I am now. Supposedly with the high gain antenna, you can go up to 3 miles in line of sight. I don't have 3 straight miles of land to test that with, but we can go a couple of acres away, which is a horrible measurement. We can go thousands of feet away and we'll be okay. So let's go ahead and test that out, and let's go see what we can find. We are about 600 feet away from the SuperLink hub, and it is working with the siren. I turned the volume down so I could test it a little bit quieter than full volume. But I'm going to continue going farther back. We're going to see how far we can go. Now we're about 1,000 feet away, still line of sight. There's the other solar setup I have. Let's go ahead and test this again. Still working completely fine. The alarm still sounded, so let's go farther back. Okay, we're going to a spot where we're going to be about 1,200 feet away. This is very far away. There's trees blocking us now, so you can't see line of sight anymore, but we're going to test this sensor again. There, you heard it, still works fine. Let's go farther back. All right, we are even farther away. We tested from over there last time. Let's check again. Sure enough, still works fine. Let's keep going. So now we are at the farthest point away on our property. Let's try this one more time. This is as far as we can go on our property, but what we can do is we can go to the church I work for, which is pretty close, and we'll try it from there. If this still works, I will be very impressed. So every time we go farther away, it does seem to take longer to turn on. I don't know if that's because the alarm doesn't check in very frequently or why that is, but it did take a little bit longer this time. Guys, I am extremely impressed. I'm in my church's parking lot. Although our church is about a mile away on the road, our backyards do kind of line up, so there is like a closer path if you go through some other people's property or whatever. But anyways, the siren literally just worked from the church's parking lot. So I don't know how that's even possible and how you can do this without a permit, but that's really cool. And it legit worked. I'm at my church now. I'm gonna go closer to the building to see how close I can get. Well, everyone, I'm at my church and the siren still went off. I'm gonna put on the screen of how many feet it is from my house, but it is pretty far away. And we're also, you know, going through all the interference. There's a neighborhood nearby, so there's a lot of interference from the neighborhood. But I am extremely impressed that it does in fact work here at the church. So I think the conclusion of this video is, first of all, if you need to go a long ways with your SuperLink, then you should absolutely buy the high gain antenna because it does go far. But my other conclusion is that I think what we should do now is my church should buy the SuperLink high gain antenna, and then I don't have to have one at my house because I can use the church's SuperLink system for my home alarm system. Sounds like a great idea. I'm just kidding. But anyways, if you guys want to buy this or any other Ubiquiti product, please use my affiliate link down in the description below. I like to do real world testing like this a lot because a spec sheet is one thing, but actually seeing the performance is another thing. So in this case, I'm very, very impressed with the SuperLink high gain antenna in the SuperLink gateway. I look forward to testing this more, so if you're curious as to more of the SuperLink system and how it works, please subscribe. There's more videos coming soon on that. But that is all I have for this video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. I will see you all in the next video.